All right, guys. So this is an issue. This is a problem. A lot of you may or may not even know about it, but right now with homeowners associations, particularly for whatever reason, 55 and older homeowners associations, we are having so many issues with insurance, with the HOAs going up, with, just it's very difficult because a lot of people moved here to South Florida that were retirees. They were on a fixed income. They purchased their places cash. Their homeowners association was $138, or their condo association was $138, $200, something along those lines. And then all of a sudden now, with the new insurance costs and regulations having changed and stuff like that, they're finding that their monthly expenses are doubling, tripling, quadrupling, even worse in some cases. I have one neighborhood right now where I have a condo listed. When the owner came to me, they had not announced any of these new changes or any of the, they have a roofing issue now. So what has happened is that we went from a condo that was very easily saleable at a very nice price to now a condo association that the HOAs were in the 200s. They're already in the 400s. They're probably going to go to the 700s. Plus, they're going to need a special assessment because they're going to have to replace their roofs. Okay. And we're talking, anywhere from 9, 16, maybe as much as $20,000. Although the last couple of associations I've been through this with has been $16,000 per roof. But you have a lot of people, unfortunately, a lot of, retirees and older retirees that are in a really tough spot right now because over the years, and the insurance, and part of the reason the insurance matrix is the way it is because it was so lax before. A lot of these associations, they didn't build reserves. They kept their costs down because the people living there didn't want to pay a lot, every month. But now that they're ready to move on and turn over those properties, they're having to, quote unquote, pay the piper. So if you or one of your loved ones is in an association, in a condo association particularly, that hasn't replaced the roofs in 20 years, that doesn't have huge reserves, you need to start getting ready for that because it is coming. It's coming fast. All it takes is, a certain percentage of people to want to sell and get out, realizing that they're not going to be able to do that effectively until all these things get done. And then the change start happening fast. I'm going to say we're probably 50% through the problem, but there's definitely 50% to go. If you've got questions about that, feel free to, give me a call. But it's difficult. And also trying to find a place for these people to go because they've become priced out of their, retirement home. It's sad. But it's a thing. So anyways, I don't know if it's a public service announcement or whatever, but I wanted you guys to know that that's a big thing that's going on right now, and it's affecting thousands of people, and not in a good way. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to Living in South Florida Does Not Suck. Please do subscribe with the notification bell on. If you liked today's guest, you can also get more information about them right here. Like magic, it will appear. Anyways, we love having you here. We love having your friends here. Shout it out from the rooftops. Like us on Facebook. Share it with your friends. We'll see you soon here in beautiful, sunny South Florida.